What I wish I knew at 15, avocados aren't just for toast. Seriously, if you're like most people, you probably think of avocados as that trendy green thing you mash onto bread for brunch, maybe sprinkle with a little salt, pepper and chili flakes, and then post a picture on Instagram. But let me tell you, avocados are so much more than just a social media food trend. They're a nutritional powerhouse, a secret weapon for your health, and honestly one of the best things you can add to your daily routine, no matter your age. When I was a teenager, I had no idea that this creamy green fruit could do so much for my body and mind. If only I'd known then what I know now, I would have made avocados a daily habit way sooner. Eat one a day, and your body basically turns into a superhero version of you. Here's why. Imagine waking up with more energy, feeling more focused at school or work, and having the kind of stamina that makes you want to take on the world. That's what avocados can do for you. They're like a daily upgrade for your body, giving you the nutrients and fuel you need to feel your best. And it's not just about feeling good in the moment. Eating avocados regularly can set you up for long-term health too. Think of them as your personal sidekick, always there to help you power through your day, recover faster after a workout, and even keep your mood more balanced. It's almost like having a secret superpower, hidden in your lunchbox or on your breakfast plate. First up, your heart. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats, the kind that actually help lower bad cholesterol. You might have heard people talk about good fats and bad fats, but what does that really mean? Well, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil and nuts. These fats help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, the kind that can clog your arteries and lead to heart disease, while boosting HDL cholesterol, which actually helps clear out the bad stuff. It's like having a team of tiny cleaners working inside your body, scrubbing away the gunk and keeping your blood vessels smooth and flexible. And the benefits don't stop there. Eating avocados has been linked to lower risk of heart attacks and strokes, better blood flow, and even lower inflammation throughout your body. So, if you want to keep your heart strong and healthy for years to come, adding an avocado to your daily routine is a smart move. Think of them as tiny bouncers, kicking out the troublemakers from your arteries. Every time you eat an avocado, you're helping your body get rid of the stuff it doesn't need, like excess cholesterol and unhealthy fats from processed foods. It's like having a security team at the door of your arteries, making sure only the good stuff gets in. And when you swap out junk food for avocado, you're not just avoiding the bad, you're actively giving your body the tools it needs to repair and protect itself. Over time, this can make a huge difference in your overall health, reducing your risk of chronic diseases, and helping you feel more energized every day. Next, your gut will thank you. Your digestive system is like the engine that keeps your body running, and it needs the right fuel to work properly. Avocados are packed with fiber, about 10 grams in just one fruit, which is more than most people get in an entire day. Fiber is essential for keeping your digestive system moving smoothly, preventing constipation, and feeding the good bacteria in your gut. When your gut is happy, you're more likely to feel energized, focused, and even in a better mood. Plus, a healthy gut can help your immune system stay strong so you're less likely to get sick. All that fiber keeps things, moving. Let's be real. Nobody likes feeling bloated or sluggish. When you eat enough fiber, your body can process food more efficiently, absorb more nutrients, and get rid of waste faster. That means less time feeling uncomfortable and more time enjoying life. And because avocados are so rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, they help keep your digestive system balanced and regular. It's like giving your gut a gentle daily tune-up, no harsh cleanses or weird supplements required. And get this, avocados are packed with potassium, so they help keep your blood pressure chill. Most people think of bananas when they hear potassium, but avocados actually have even more per serving. Potassium is a mineral that helps balance the fluids in your body, relax your blood vessels, and keep your heart beating at a steady rhythm. When you get enough potassium, your blood pressure stays in a healthy range, which means less strain on your heart and arteries. This is especially important if you eat a lot of salty foods, since potassium helps counteract the effects of sodium. So, if you want to keep your blood pressure under control and protect your heart, avocados are a delicious way to do it. Skin? Yeah, you'll glow like you just got back from vacation. Avocados are loaded with vitamins and antioxidants that nourish your skin from the inside out. Vitamin E, for example, is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by the sun, pollution, and everyday stress. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. And the healthy fats in avocados help keep your skin hydrated so it looks soft, smooth, and radiant. Some people even use avocado as a face mask for an extra boost of moisture, but eating it regularly can give you that healthy glow all over. If you've ever wanted to look like you just spent a week at a spa, avocados are your new best friend. Bonus, they help you feel full, so you're less likely to snack on junk later. One of the biggest challenges when it comes to eating healthy is dealing with cravings and hunger between meals. But avocados are naturally satisfying, thanks to their combination of healthy fats, fiber, and nutrients. When you eat an avocado, you're giving your body the kind of slow-burning energy that keeps you feeling full for hours. That means you're less likely to reach for chips, cookies, or other processed snacks that can spike your blood sugar and leave you feeling tired later. Instead, you'll have steady energy, better focus, and fewer cravings throughout the day. It's a simple change that can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Bottom line, add an avocado to your day, and your body just might throw you a thank you party. Seriously, the benefits of eating avocados go way beyond what most people realize. From your heart and gut to your skin and energy levels, this little green fruit can make a huge impact on your health. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to add avocados to your meals. Slice them onto toast, toss them into salads, blend them into smoothies, or just eat them with a spoon and a sprinkle of salt. However you enjoy them, your body will notice the difference. Over time, you might find that you have more energy, better digestion, clearer skin, and even a happier mood. It's like giving yourself a daily gift, one that keeps on giving day after day. Ready to level up your lunch? Hit that like if you're Team Avocado. And if you're still not convinced, let's break down a few more reasons why avocados deserve a spot in your daily routine. For starters, they're incredibly versatile. You can use them in sweet or savory dishes, as a creamy base for sauces and dressings, or even as a substitute for butter or mayo in your favorite recipes. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals, including folate, magnesium, and B vitamins, which support everything from brain health to muscle function. And because avocados are naturally low in sugar and high in fiber, they're a great choice for anyone looking to manage their weight or keep their blood sugar stable. But wait, there's more. Did you know that avocados can also help your body absorb other nutrients more effectively? That's right, some vitamins like A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, which means your body needs healthy fats to absorb them properly. When you eat avocados with other nutrient-rich foods, you're actually boosting the benefits of your entire meal. It's like turning up the volume on your nutrition, making sure you get the most out of every bite. And let's not forget about the mental health benefits. The healthy fats in avocados are essential for brain function, helping you stay sharp, focused, and even improving your mood. Studies have shown that people who eat more monounsaturated fats tend to have lower rates of depression and anxiety. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your mental well-being, avocados are a delicious place to start. If you're worried about calories, don't be. While avocados are higher in calories than some other fruits and vegetables, those calories come from healthy fats that your body needs. Plus, because avocados are so filling, you're likely to eat less overall, which can actually help with weight management in the long run. It's all about balance and making smart choices, and avocados make it easy. Still not sure how to add more avocados to your diet? Here are a few ideas to get you started. Mash them onto whole grain toast with a squeeze of lemon and a sprinkle of chili flakes for a quick breakfast. Dice them into salads for a creamy texture and extra flavor. Blend them into smoothies for a rich, satisfying treat. Or simply slice them and eat them with a little salt and pepper as a snack. The possibilities are endless, and your body will thank you for every bite. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, grab a few avocados and make them a regular part of your routine. Your heart, gut, skin, and mind will all benefit, and you might just find yourself feeling like a superhero, ready to take on whatever the day brings. Don't forget to share your favorite avocado recipes in the comments, and let us know how adding this amazing fruit to your diet has made a difference in your life. And of course, if you're Team Avocado, hit that like button and spread the love. In summary, eating an avocado every day is one of the simplest, most delicious ways to support your health from the inside out. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your digestion, protect your heart, or just enjoy a tasty snack, avocados have you covered. So go ahead, make avocados a daily habit and watch as your body thanks you in ways you never expected. Here's to feeling your best, one avocado at a time.